In this video, you'll learn how to put your eBay store on vacation mode. This process allows you to temporarily pause your store activities while ensuring that your customers are informed about any delays in shipping. By following these steps, you can manage your store effectively during your absence. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you are signed in, you will be directed to the Seller Hub dashboard, which serves as the main control center for managing your listings and store settings. Look for the section labeled Settings or Store Settings in the navigation menu, as this is where you'll find options related to store customization and selling preferences. Next, within the store settings, locate the time away feature. This option allows you to temporarily pause your store activities. Once you have found the time away settings, click on it to proceed. This will open a new interface specifically designed for managing your vacation settings. Inside the time away settings, you will see the option to schedule your vacation or temporary store closure. Select this option to begin configuring your time away. You will need to specify both the start dates and the end date for your absence. Additionally, during this period, you will have the choice to allow buyers to continue purchasing items or to hide your listings altogether. It is advisable to add an automatic message for buyers in this section. This message will inform customers that shipping will be delayed due to your absence, helping to set the right expectations. After you have made all the necessary selections, review your settings to ensure they reflect your preferences. Once you are satisfied with your configurations, click the Save or Apply button to activate the time away mode. eBay will then automatically apply the vacation status to your store listings. Buyers who visit your store will see the message indicating that you are temporarily away, which helps maintain transparency. After your designated vacation period ends, your store operations will resume as normal without any additional action required on your part. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.